And welcome to Tic Tac in Microsoft Word. Just like any other Tic Tac you can win horizontally, you can win diagonally, and you can also win vertically. You have 3 vertical method of winning, 3 vertical ways, horizontal ways you can win, and 2 diagonal ways you can win. So let's go into the programming area so that you guys see how I've put this together. Right here is the programming area, but just before then, let me show you. You need the developer menu. If you don't have one, I will advise you to go into the option and get that set, or check out or look out for my first tutorial on how to program in Microsoft Word. You will see how you get this command. But if you don't have it, not to worry, you can always press Alt F11. Remember that, Alt. You can always press your Alt F11. Okay, once you press that, it will take you straight. It will take you straight to the development area, Alt F11. So if I press my Alt F11 key, bang, that's where I get to. So the form I've used in this case is called Userform 3. So I have 7 labels there they are, and in total I have 10 command buttons. You can see command button 1, 2, 3, and so on, 9 up to 10 right there. And you can see the labels as well, label 1, 2, 6 up to 7 I have in there. So to start with, if you look here, we have the code. You have what is known as option explicit. I declare the option explicit so that it will become my global variable for every single subroutine there. So when you declare something up here underneath option explicit, it becomes global variable for every single component. And the variable right here is the checker, and that's the checker right there, used in command button 1. So if checker equals false, then command button 1.caption equals X, then checkers becomes true, else command button 1.caption equals 0. So supposing I'm writing a new program, or supposing I intend to write a new program right here. So this is my form, Userform 4, which I've done nothing about. So double click on that. The only difference is I already have my global variable declared underneath option explicit. So look here, can you see that? It's command button 1, click, drop. Okay, make sure the command button is calling the right number, command button 1. Double click on 2. Repeat the same thing. In this case, just change that to 2. Okay, take a good look at this. That is my function, which we will get to very soon. Okay, command button 3, drop that down and change that to 3. Let's pick on command button 4. There, repeat exactly the same thing. Command button 4, 5, paste. See, the only changes I'm making is just the numbers. And command button 6, paste. Just change the numbers. Once you write the first lines of code, the rest is just copy and paste. Now command button 7, paste that there. You don't have to reinvent the wheel and be killing yourself. just follow this very method. Is simple and it's easy to follow. So change this to 8 there and 9, paste it right there. But if you want this code, I will save it to my shared drive. You can always send me a message. Okay, that's that all done. The next thing is this very function that was called. So if I go inside number 3, you will see my function right there. That is the function. This function is just to identify who is winning and who is losing. Look, in this case we have command button 1, 2 and 3, and that is supposed to be for the horizontal winning. Okay, and this one is 1, 4 and 7. If you copy one, the rest you can just make that up yourself. Okay, just have a good look at it. If once you get one right, you can do the rest yourself. Let me show you guys the code properly so that you can see it. Or maybe reduce the font size. Okay, you should be able to see all of the codes now. You should be able to see all of the codes now. So the very first function in here, that is it right here. That's my function right there. Okay, you see it? I'm just going to copy all of that function that I've written instead of reinventing the wheel, and now paste it. I'll just paste it right there. It's copied. So now come underneath here and define my new function right there. And paste. All my functions are now in place. So if we come back up, you will see all of the functions. Let me show it to you guys. That's the scorekeeper function, and that is it there. Check out the codes all the way. And see, there is no different apart from the command button numbers that were changed. And the last one here, which is for command button 10, that is just to reset the system. Okay, just a reset. So let's run this program now. This is the one I've just finished putting together, and you guys see that it works just like any other tic-tac-toe game. And that is how you develop your own tic-tac-toe in Microsoft Word. So if you have any use for this code, you can always drop me a line and I'll forward the code to you guys. So I'm gonna say bye for now.